Hey, what's up guys? Ryan here from Extreme Terrain. Today I'll be reviewing and installing the RT Off-Road waterproof cab cover in gray, fitting your 2007 to 2018 two-door Wrangler JK. Now, this is going to be for those of you that are just looking for a quality cab cover that's easy to install and is going to provide some protection for your Jeep's interior for those warm months when you're driving around with the top and the doors off. This is going to provide plenty of coverage for your Jeep's interior, not only keeping it safe from the harsh UV rays of the sun, but keeping those elements out and keeping your interior dry and fade-free. Now, this cab cover is waterproof, so it's going to keep that rain out, preventing water damage, and it's very lightweight, very easy to install and store away when you're not using it. Now, this comes with a storage bag, allowing you to bring it with you for those moments when the weather sneaks up on you, and it is designed for a very snug fit, even has nylon straps to help you secure it to your rig. Now, this is one of the more affordable options to go with at right around $100. When compared to other options that can cost up to twice as much, I think you're getting a great product for a very reasonable price. Now, as far as installation goes, I'm going to give this a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, as you can get this thing installed in just under 30 minutes. Now, with that being said, let's hop into the install. Now, this cab cover is very easy to install and is designed for when you have the top and the doors off. As you can see, we already have our top and our doors up, so we're going to unravel this, find out where our door flaps are, and then we'll get this thing installed. So, of course, we want to get our door flaps up here by our doors. So what we're just going to do is just go around and kind of get this thing draped over the whole entire Wrangler, get it situated. Now, this cab cover is going to hang over the windshield a little bit. So we'll drape that down over, get this to fit nice. And then it has all of these hooks under here. These hooks are going to hook underneath of the body. That's going to allow it to pull tight and keep that hole inside weather resistant. So we're going to start here at the back, and we have a few points of attachment. You're going to have these little plastic pieces on the bottom right here. This is going to tuck into the edge just like a soft top. And then you're going to have these straps back here. They're going to hook onto the bottom of the tailgate. It's going to keep it nice and tight. So we're going to start here, tucking these edges in, and then we'll do these straps and just work our way around. So we'll just loosen the strap up, pull it all the way down, hook it onto the bottom of the tailgate, and then you can pull down on the strap. Now, we don't want to make it too tight right now because we still have to get the rest of the cab cover on. Yeah, so we'll just come over here to the other side. We'll do that same thing, trying to get these edges into the tub. Then we'll get this strap on. We'll go ahead and secure this strap. And we're going to go around the side. We're going to have that same thing, all these little plastic edges to tuck in. Then we can go over to the other side and do the same thing. This is a little tight, so you might need to pull down on it and stretch it a little bit. But that's good, it's going to fit real nice. We're going to stay on this side. We're going to go to these door flaps. This is the last thing we have to install. You're going to have these straps, same thing. They're going to hook underneath of the pinch weld down here. So we'll just loosen up this strap a little bit, hook it down underneath of there, and then you can tighten that back up. That's going to keep that whole door hole sealed, so we don't get any water in there. Then we'll go over to the other side and do that same thing. All the way down, make sure that we hook that on real nice and good, and then just tighten that down. So that is going to wrap up my review and installation. For more videos and products like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.